Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a great day. And today we're going to be making mango popsicles. The ingredients are popsicle mold, popsicle sticks, mango, evaporation milk, and condensed milk. Food coloring, vanilla, and whipping cream. First step, we're gonna cut the mangoes into small cubes. This is what we're gonna add in the blender. Mango, whipping cream, evaporation milk, condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now we're gonna blend very, very well. And guys, I forgot something, the food coloring. Now we're gonna add 3 drops. Now we're gonna blend it for real. Guys, I think it needs a couple more drops of food coloring. Now we're really gonna do this. Now we're gonna add our mango mix into the popsicle mold. Now we're gonna add the popsicle sticks. Now we're gonna freeze them overnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you guys want me to make like different popsicles, comment down below. Today's the next day and the popsicles are ready. I have to put the popsicles in the water for 4 seconds. Now my favorite part, the taste test. Super yummy. Mango-y and delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below. Cowabunga.